description.
Alright, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you can do with your instant noodles. And today we're going to do another spicy one at my son's request. We've got Buldak 2x spicy. Haven't done this in ages. This is a bowl. Got Hochi with a little bomb, a lot of fire. It's February 22nd, 2026. The year of the fire horse is in full effect. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend or weekday, whichever it may be. And yeah, I'm about to, the first solid food, other than, I don't know, I had vitamins, I had an energy drink. That's all I've had so far today. And the first thing that's going to be an actual food item is going to be this. So I hope I live. I think I will. But yeah, crazy, huh? So speaking of spicy things, so last night I went to make a little sandwich, nice little sandwich, and I got this new stuff. I don't know, it's not new, I've had it before. I usually, instead of using mayo on sandwiches, I use Hui Fong chili garlic sauce, but I thought, why not? Let's try the sambal oelek. That's looks like the same thing except it has the gold label on it. Man, that stuff's good. Well, I made one sandwich out of it, and then I promptly, as soon as I went to make another sandwich, I dropped it. And in fact, today I've dropped things twice. I don't know. Got the dropsies. I don't know. It's really irritating, but what do you do? But yeah, 2x. I think the mukbang, which will come after this, will definitely be something that you're going to want to watch. I'm really curious how my son does on it. He will definitely need a fire extinguisher. I'm going to grab one of those right now. This is this little protein beverage, but it's chocolatey. And yeah, it'll help a little. I want to see how many bites he takes of it. Hopefully a lot. Hopefully, I know it'll be pretty impressive when he does do it. But yeah, we got a couple minutes to go. What else is going on? Oh yeah, so yesterday we did three things actually. We went to I won a computer. That's what's on the desk over there. It's a touchscreen PC. It's kind of older, but I figured my son wants to do a blog, so I figured I could set it up with a WordPress install, and then I'll just make sure and check it out before posts happen. But it's an uphill battle because it's old Sony. It's a Sony Vaio touchscreen all-in-one, and the problem with it is that as soon as Windows 7 was no longer supported by Microsoft, Sony's like, well, what we should do is no longer offer the drivers for it. And so they did. So you have to I spent probably a good 3 or 4 hours digging for drivers. But I found them. So I think. And then what else? So I grabbed that. I got that off of Buy Nothing. Look around on your Facebook if there's a local Buy Nothing group. There probably is, and you can get all sorts of free stuff and get rid of stuff that you don't want to just throw away, but give away. Yeah. And then there's we went to this place in Bellevue called S-Mart, and S-Mart, Shop Smart, Shop S-Mart. like in Army of Darkness. Yeah, it's not the same thing. It's a Asian grocery, but we went there and he was just so stoked because they had Buldak varieties that he wanted to try that we're gonna try. He wanted to try the tteokbokki. They had the carbo of that. They had quite a few things, and then we went to do some grocery shopping. Got some stuff, and then came home and I worked on that. And yeah, then I dropped the exploding sandball. So yeah. Anyways, that's how yesterday went. But it was a good day. Although I'm sore. I redid all the stereo stuff on Friday, and I am like, yeah, I moved the Victrola, moved the entertainment center. Now, like, my forearms are killing me, and my back hurts if I move a certain way. Draining the water. This will make all you Buldak adherents very happy. There's that sauce here, there's sauce. Oh, I'm just following the directions. On the other ones, there is sauce. This one, there is not. I mean, there's no liquid for the sauce. It's funny though, I got this one at the local grocery store, and what's strange is it's like their packaging is not all that changed from original. They've changed their logo, and the logo on this is the old logo, which looks more like, I don't know, kind of paintbrushy. And the new one looks more clean and sharp edges, like a sans serif. And I don't know. Some people really love serif. I as far as typography goes, I don't like Times New Roman, except in certain things. I have my opinions on typography, that's for certain. I have to use different forms of it from time to time. Alright. Oh my god. I wonder how this is gonna be. It's been a long time. And it wasn't, I don't know, it was always like, oh my god, this is so hot. I'm curious because the original, the last time I had it, seemed like a former shadow of itself. The whole thing was SHU, and I don't know, I guess we'll see. I'm noticing the amount of sauce in the sachets seems to be less across the board. And that is really odd. Alright. So we're gonna do this. And as you know, when I'm doing a mukbang, you'll see me try it and everything and say what give my 2 cents on it for the mukbang. We're going to use the plate of truth and honor today. I haven't used this plate very much in review stuff. It's usually dirty because I usually end up putting my wife's lunch on it. Here we go. Okay. Wow, that is so nuclear orange. I think that's gonna work. And I know the kid is gonna be not too stoked about this, but I'll just tell him not to eat it. Tell him to eat around it. But you gotta have But yeah, that's all I'm doing to it. Not adding anything, leaving it straight. Like I said, I'm not like incredibly stoked on doing this one. Mainly because it's pretty freaking hot. And that doesn't always sound like great. But hopefully it will be a good experience today. Yeah, watch it rotate for a minute. Alright, that's it for me for now. So, yeah, check out the mukbang. It'll be following. There's a playlist called Spicy Noodle Mukbang. I've changed the name to Professional Mukbang, but I figure I'll just leave the playlist with the same name. But, yeah, if you're looking at on the website, www.theramenraider.com, scroll down just a tiny bit and you can see the mukbang. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.